Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel at kung bago ka pa sa aking YouTube channel, i-click mo na yung subscribe button, i-click mo na rin yung notification bell for you to be notified sa aking mga susunod na videos, including kung kaya kong i-react ang Meet Me Outside from episode 1. Yan, so abangan ko to. So let's get started sa ating reaction for official trailer ng Meet Me Outside starring Kaloy Tingkungko and Genesis Redito. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yan.
Hi guys, it's my first night here sa Las Estrellas. It's located at the heart of Rizal. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo from the city, pero it's far enough para maramdaman mong nakakawala ka sa gulo ng syudad. It's really a nice resort.
Oh, ang ganda.
So,
Ang cute ni ano doon.
guys, ano ba naman yung question niya?
Ibang-iba si Kaloy dito ah.
Okay, like seriously. The moment you arrive here, makakalimutan mo lahat ng problema mo. And until less, keep me away. Kanina, when I checked it, hirap lang yung tingnan, James.
Wait lang. Diba parang ako'y gaganahang manood ng kaya sa pelikula. Sabi na hindi ko siya kayang i-react sa ano. Parang hindi ko siya kayang i-react sa Blood. Pero pipilitin kong i-react to para sa inyo. So first of all, influencer pala dito si Kaloy. Well, hindi ko naman alam yung mga character, pero sisikapin kong alamin yung kanilang mga character. Second of all, siya pala, itong si Genesis dito sa story is nakakakilig. Wait lang. Kahit alam kong trailer pa lang yun, pero yeah, again, parang gaganahan ako manood ng gaya sa pelikula nito dahil parang, well, self-recommendation na lang to. Kasi ang gaya sa pelikula was written by Juan Miguel Severo and directed by J.P. Habak. And itong GSP is kahit kailan hindi pa to lumalabas sa Psycho Milk. So, we're talking about Psycho Milk. If you like again, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell on Psycho Milk YouTube channel na nasa description lang po yung link. And again, if you like my video, since I'm reacting to this, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell for you to be notified dito sa aking video. And sa mga susunod ko mga videos, I mean. Okay, so parang kakaiba ang atake ng ng MMO or Meet Me Outside. Excited ako, promise. At kung mapapanood ko to, siguro ay sana kayanin kong panoorin to if I have time, kasi hirap na hirap ako ngayon sa when it comes to managing the time. So dito na po ako nagtatapos. Again, if you like this video, uulit-ulitin ko to. If you like this video, just click the like button, click the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell for you to be notified sa aking mga susunod na videos, including hashtag BloodMMO. Ito po ay sa Blood app i-release. And first time ito sa BL series is first time ito na may isang BL series sa outside ng YouTube which is yung Blood. First time sa Blood yan na makakaroon ng BL series. So, panoorin nyo to from December 21, if I'm mistaken. 21 ba to? December 21 to 26. Within the span of 5 days, mapapanood nyo yan. Again, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6 days pala. Sorry, 6 days. Kita-kita talaga yung pag ganun ko eh. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Nothing else to be the commentary. This is my commentary. This is my own reaction. This is my own opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!